It only takes one call to lose a lifetime of savings.
Hello, this is James, calling from your broadband provider's technical security team.
Oh, is everything all right?
We flagged unusual activity on your connection. If it's not dealt with in the next few minutes, it can freeze your internet access completely. I just need you to install a small piece of software so I can see what's happening on your end.
He never asked for her password. He didn't need to. He already had control of her screen. One click. That's all it takes. £45,000 gone in 20 minutes. Not hacked, invited in. But what if she'd paused? If she stopped? Just for a moment. One question before one click. Is this real? And the answer came back in seconds. She didn't have to fight the scammer alone. She just had to ask someone she trusted. One pause, one check, £45,000. Still hers. Before you click or provide your information to unknown, pause. Because scammers are counting on you not pausing to check. Download Pausier.